What's up, sneaker family? In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to repair damaged elephant print so we can take your sneakers from looking like this to more like this over here. So first, we're going to start by prepping and rebranding the elephant print. For this task, we'll be using the same tool that we use to recreate the imprint and tread on the midsoles on the Carmines in my last video. The tool we're using is called a wood burner. And as usual, all links to tools and supplies used in my videos will be in the links or in the comments. Okay, if you were paying attention in my last video, you'll remember that the burner can heat up really quick and it can make an imprint really fast. The only difference in this video is that we'll be working with suede, so we'll be able to keep the burner on the material a little bit longer. Now, when we're rebranding the elephant print, we're able to stay on the material a bit longer because we're working with suede. So around 6 seconds of burning in one particular area, you should start to see the imprint take form and it should begin to turn black. Just do your best here to connect the lines and the dots. Prepping the elephant print this way before you repaint or do a touch-up will make it look a lot more professional. Okay, now that we're finished prepping and rebranding the elephant print, we can move on to detail painting. For this task, I'm going to be using a detail bottle with a blue needle tip from the Detail Kit. All links to products and tools used in my videos will be in the description or in the comments. So all we're going to do here basically is touch the elephant print up using the detail bottle. And I'm just keeping steady pressure on the bottle so that I get the same amount of liquid out every time. I like to start in the big areas or in the center of any portion of the elephant print that I'm doing, and I move outwards toward the smaller areas and I just drag the paint along the way to get into small tight areas. Once I feel that everything looks good, I'll just allow it to air dry for an hour or two and make any other touch-ups if necessary. Now here are the final results. Hey, my name is Footprints, and again, I'd like to thank you for watching. So here's a little bit about me. I specialize in reglues and patent leather repairs, and I also can fix the hole in the front of a toe box for like Yeezy 350s or on the side as well. I have a special Suede and Nubuck Renewal powder and sealer that's available, and I also do online live classes. I have ebooks available, PDFs, and a whole lot more. So stay tuned. And thank you again.